So I just had on-site knife sharpening with Jeff Stuckey and Rhonda. I contacted them and they come out mobile to your house and take care of your cutlery for you. I had them do some of my hunting knives, so all my outdoors friends, they can take care of you. And also my fine cutlery, my Hinkle knives that I use in the kitchen that my mother gave me. I trusted with these guys. So Jeff came out, he did a great job. Jeff, how can people get in touch with you guys?
It's the best way is just go online and it's On-Site Sharpening, and it'll pop right up. It's really the easiest to go to the website.
On-Site Sharpening.com.
Yeah, or text.
Okay.
On-Site-Sharpening-text.com.
On-Site Sharpening Tech.
Or text.
Text.
TX, I'm
TX.
sorry.
Okay.
All right, Robbie usually does all this. I'm
No,
just running around everywhere.
So on-site-sharpening-tx.com.
Yes.
Okay, that's the easiest way to get to these guys. They'll set an appointment, they'll come out, give you a 2-hour window, come out and get you taken care of.